Hello everyone and welcome back to your reviews. Today we're diving into the top 5 best mini laptops you can buy this year, perfect for those who need powerful performance in a compact size. If you're always on the go or simply looking for a portable yet efficient device, this list is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Plus, you can check out the links to all the featured products in the description box below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the 2024 Portable Mini Laptop. This little beast packs a punch with a 7-inch touchscreen and an office-friendly Intel J4105 processor. It's not just about the performance. The design is sleek with a metal finish that gives it a premium feel. Running Windows 11, this mini laptop ensures you have the latest features at your fingertips. The 12GB RAM combined with a hopping 1TB storage ensures you never run out of space for your documents, media, and apps. The IPS display offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. Despite its small size, this netbook includes all essential ports and connectivity options, making it a versatile tool for professionals and students alike. Coming in at number 4, the CHUWI MiniBook X redefines versatility with its 2-in-1 design. This convertible laptop features a 10.51-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, delivering crisp and clear visuals. Powered by the Intel N100 processor, which can reach speeds up to 3.4 GHz and backed by 12 GB of RAM, this mini laptop ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance. The 512 GB SSD offers ample storage, and there's even an option to expand up to 1 TB. The backlit keyboard enhances usability in low-light conditions, and the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 guarantees fast and reliable connectivity. The built-in webcam is perfect for video calls and online meetings, making the CHUWI MiniBook X a solid choice for both personal and professional use. Taking the third spot is the Mini Laptop PC, a gaming notebook that doesn't compromise on performance. This 8-inch touchscreen device is powered by Intel's 12th Gen Alder Lake N100 processor, providing robust performance for gaming and everyday tasks. With 12 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it offers a seamless user experience and quick access to your games and applications. The all-metal design not only adds durability but also a premium look and feel. Running Windows 11, it supports all the latest features and updates. The built-in webcam is great for streaming and video chats, making this mini laptop a fantastic option for gamers who need portability without sacrificing power. Our runner-up is the CRELANDER P8 8-inch mini laptop that boasts a touchscreen and a unique 360-degree rotating design. This allows you to switch between laptop and tablet modes effortlessly, adapting to your needs whether you're working, browsing, or streaming. The Intel Alder N100 processor ensures smooth performance, while the 12 GB RAM and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity keep everything running fast and efficiently. The CRELANDER P8 is perfect for those who need a portable device without compromising on performance or versatility. Its lightweight and compact form factor makes it easy to carry around, and the touchscreen interface provides an intuitive user experience. Finally, at the top of our list is the One-Netbook, a one-engineer PC. This 7-inch IPS mini laptop is a true powerhouse, featuring Intel Core i5-1130G7 or i3-1110G4 processors. With up to 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this device handles intensive tasks with ease. The pocket-sized design makes it incredibly portable, perfect for engineers, developers, and tech enthusiasts who need a reliable and powerful machine on the go. Running Windows 11, it offers the latest in software compatibility and security features. The One-Netbook A1 also includes a range of ports and connectivity options, ensuring you can connect all your peripherals and devices effortlessly. Its high-resolution IPS display provides stunning visuals, making it the best choice for those who demand top-notch performance and portability.